Hi, my dears. Welcome back to Wisdom at Online Classes. We know how to compare two integers or two fractions and tell which is smaller or which is greater among them. Let us now see how we can compare two rational numbers. Two positive rational numbers can be compared and two negative rational numbers can be compared. So let us go with some methods to comparison of the rational numbers. The first one is comparison of the rational numbers. Rational numbers can be compared in two different ways. The one is by representing rational numbers on the number line, and the second one is by using the method we use for the comparison of the fractions, and third one is cross multiplication method. These are all the three methods to comparison of the rational numbers. Yes, first one is by representing the rational numbers on number line. Let us learn this representation of the rational numbers on number line by using some examples. Yes, so example here, compare minus 3 by 7 and minus 5 by 7. So we are comparing here the negative rational number by using the number line. In above sum we see that the denominator are same but the numerator different. So let us compare it as follows. Draw a number line. Now look carefully at the number line and see where your numbers are there, minus 5 and minus 3. So these are located since minus 5 is to the left of the minus 3. So this means that minus 5 is smaller than the minus 3, or this minus 3 is larger than the minus 5. Hence, we can say that minus 3 by 7 is greater than the minus 5 by 7. This is comparison of the fractions with the same denominators. Yes, let us go with another one example. Which of the two rational numbers here, minus 3 by 5 and minus 2 by 3. See this example here. So here these two have different denominators. Yes, what is the solution for this? Let us go with the solution. Minus 3 by 5 and minus 2 by 7. Here minus 2 by 3, it is greater than minus 3 by 5. Yes, go with different 2. So here it is too different. It will be difficult to plot the numbers with the different denominators in a number line. Now take the LCM for the denominators 5 and 3. So now the LCM is 15. Now you have to make those two rational numbers as to be a equivalent fractions. Yes, here minus 3 by 5 and minus 2 by 3, by finding the LCM of 5 and 3, so you can compare easily with the different denominators rational numbers. Now minus 9 by 15 and minus 10 by 15. So after multiplication of this, After multiplication of LCM, you will get you can make it as the like denominators, like rational numbers. Now it is very easy to represent on the number line. So minus 9 by 15 and minus 10 by 15, as we know that the before, here the minus 9 by 15, it is greater than minus 10 by 15. Yes, seeing the number line, we know that minus 9 by 15 is a greater than minus 10 by 15. So here the next one is, by using the method we use for the comparison of the fractions with the different denominator. Using the method we use for this comparison of the fractions with the different denominators in the order. In order to compare any two rational numbers, we can use the following steps. So the first one is, the first one step is to compare this. Write the given rational numbers so that their denominators are positive. The step 2 is, find the LCM of the positive denominators of the rational numbers obtained in step 2. Next, step 3, that is, express each rational number with the LCM as the common denominators. Yes. So the last step is, the step 4 is, compare the numerators of the rational numbers obtained in the step 3 and the number having greater numerator is the greater rational number. So these are all the steps to compare the rational numbers. So go with some example. Which of the numbers 3 by minus 4 and minus 5 by 6 is greater? So go with the methods. First, we write each of the given numbers with the positive denominator. So first you have to write that in positive denominator. So one number is 3 by minus 4. That is, make it is into the 3 by, if you multiplied with the minus 1 both of the side, minus 4, it will become as the positive number. So 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 and minus 4 into minus 1 is plus 4. Now your first step is, that is, you have to make the denominators or positive. Now let us take the LCM of this denominators. For 4 and 6 the LCM is 12. Therefore minus 3 by 4, that is minus 3 by 4 into 3, both of the side is multiplied with the 3, or you can do this as, you can multiply the 12 directly to the numerator, that is also correct. This is as we learnt in the previous classes. So the minus 9 by 12 and yes. So you have to make the denominator as the LCM. To make the denominator as the LCM, you have to multiply with the exact numbers. Minus 5. So now this is the way to make this as the numbers as the like rational numbers. Like rational numbers or the denominators are same. Now it is very easy to compare. So by this we can conclude this 3 by minus 4 is greater than the minus 5 by 6. So this is all the methods to comparison of this. Next one is by cross multiplication method. Let us take some examples for the cross multiplication method. It is used to compare the rational numbers with the unequal denominators. This is also one of the method here. The first one is compare 5 by 15 and 8 by 17. So by seeing this, we can exactly tell that these two have a different denominator. So you have to cross multiply with the means multiply the number diagonally. So you have to multiply this diagonally. 17 into 5 and 15 into 8. Multiply this cross multiplication. Next, compare this. Okay, the answer is 85 for the first multiplication, 120 for the second one. Thus, this is also true for the rational numbers. Now, compare, we see that 17 into 5 is 85 and 15 into 8 is 120. So, 85 is less than the 120. Thus, this is also true for the rational numbers. Now step 3, as we see that 85 is smaller or lesser than the 120, the first rational number is the lesser than the second rational number. This is the way, that is by the cross multiplication method of comparing 3 or more rational numbers. So method of comparing 3 or more rational numbers. So these are all the methods you can compare this.